Let's talk about the fourth behavior of a cohesive team, or the dysfunction, the avoidance of accountability that happens in teams. Remembering the pyramid and knowing that we first need to have trust in order to then second have the behavior of productive conflict, in order to set the stage then for the third behavior of commitment. When we have commitment, that's what enables the fourth behavior, which is accountability. Now, Lencionis is very clear and specific about the kind of accountability that we're talking about, not the kind of accountability that most of us as team players and leaders fly our flag for, which is, I'm all about being accountable. I own my decisions and so forth, which largely most of us do. But we all fall short regularly and routinely, and we all fall behind. So sometimes it's essential and important for our teammates to call us out and to hold us accountable. This is the behavior that tends to be the hardest for teams. And sometimes team members prefer to point back to the leader to be the person that holds their peer accountable. And in reality, if you think about it, you'd much rather a peer come to you and say, hey, Mike, whatever happened to such and such? We agreed to this in the last meeting. It doesn't seem like you're doing that. What happened? That's a lot better than my supervisor or boss coming to me and say, hey, Sally told me that you weren't doing your part. And then I'm going to be annoyed that Sally had the conversation with my boss instead of just coming to me and having the conversation with me. Healthy teams do this for each other. It's not about gotcha or getting into each other's kitchens unnecessarily. That's how teams produce collective results ultimately, is that they hold each other accountable. If you're a leader, you know that this is more efficient. You want the members of your team to hold each other accountable. And from time to time, we really do need this. So my urging is this: understand that the essence of accountability is giving and receiving feedback. So there's opportunity to grow that skill. But the most important part is to actually do it. So if you see a colleague or teammate not doing what they promised to do or what they should be doing, think about leaning into that and confronting it head on. It will help your team. It will help that person. And even though it may be awkward or uncomfortable and might even, sure, blow up because somebody takes it the wrong way, you're ultimately doing the right thing. So continue to find ways to do that, to work on it, to understand that that's how the highest performance teams in the world work. And then ultimately, this is the behavior that sets up the fifth one, which is collective results. Until next time, see what you can do to help your peers be accountable, give some tough feedback, work at doing it well, and continue to learn and grow.